Hello everyone out there and welcome to Free for Folks. And in today's video I will be showing you how you can play PS2 games or say PlayStation 2 games on PC for free. Now first thing which we have to get is PCSX2, which is a PlayStation 2 emulator, and this is the official site from where you have to download. Also I will mention the link in the description. Now bring your mouse on download tab and you will see options on which operating system you need to get. I'm clicking on Windows because I have Windows 10. Here you will find standalone installer setup which we have to download. Once you have finished downloading, you will see file like this. Now double click or right click and open the file for installation. Click on normal installation as we are installing on desktop or laptop, whichever you have. Now let this be as it is and click next. Then choose the destination folder where you have to install this emulator. I will keep default as a C drive and hit install. Click finish and you will see configuration page like this, and on the top you will find option from where you can change the language. Once that is done, hit next. Now keep this as a default setting and hit next. Now here it will ask you to select BIOS ROM in order to run games, and to get BIOS ROM you have to visit website known as ROMs Mania. Also I will mention this link in the description too. Now click download and it will start downloading. You will see file like this after download. Now extract the file with the help of WinRAR or any software which you have there on your PC for extraction, and then you will see such files. Now come to PCSX2 emulator and click on open in Explorer, and this folder will pop up. Now keep this folder open as it is and head to the folder where we have extracted the BIOS file. Then with the help of Ctrl A select all the extracted files and copy paste in the Explorer folder. Then click on the refresh list and select USA console, then tap finish. Now we are all set to play. Now to play a game, click on C DVD, then in ISO selector click on browse and select the game you want to play. Now to get PS2 games you can visit romhustler.org. On the website just click on this PlayStation 2 shown here, then scroll down below and you will be able to see all the games available for PS2. For example, I downloaded Tekken 4 from this site and you will find a RAR file like this after downloading. Now extract the file and we'll get ISO image. Like this. Now return to emulator and mount the extracted ISO file. Then click on System tab and boot ISO to full and game will start running. Now if you have to make it as a full screen, then you will find that option in config. Then under emulation settings select GS window. Then in aspect ratio, select fit to Windows/screen and hit apply OK. So that's all you have to do to play PS2 games on PC, and I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.